Hey YouTube, Jim Baker here. Today I have a call with a gentleman from Morocco who has some questions about opening up a new LLC and about the banking, why difference between digital banks, physical banks, and why he should use an LLC or a corp, having partners, all the great normal questions, but from the perspective of a person from Morocco who's doing e-commerce. Okay, so before we get to the call, I'm going to try and ask for a thumbs up, a like on the video now. It's really helpful if you guys can like the video. And if you're here, you're probably interested in this kind of stuff. So more likes help me do more videos and get more feedback and stuff like that. So like the video. Let's go to the call. Thanks.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned
Hello?
up.
Hello, Suhail. How are you? Good morning.
Good, thank you. Hi, good morning. How are you?
It's probably later in Morocco, right?
Yeah, a little bit later. 4 p.m.
Oh, okay. 4 p.m. Nice. You have a video.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So nice to meet you. I saw your message on here. You gave me
Yeah.
all the details in here, and if you want to just get into it, I'll look over this for really quickly. So you were in the U.S.
Exactly.
You studied at school here. Did you finish? Where'd you go to school?
I went to school in LA. It's called Woodbury University. I studied
Okay.
architecture there.
Architecture. Awesome.
Yeah.
That's great. That's a good field. I like that stuff.
Mhm.
So you're Moroccan, Lebanese. You studied in the U.S. 5 years. You did OPT. You opened a company, a Delaware C Corp, EIN corporate bank, and you have everything alive. You just have less
Mhm.
activity. You have a social, driver's license, mailbox. Okay, so this just tells me an overview about yourself.
Yeah.
You have questions for me, I suppose, right?
Yeah. Basically, I just wanted to figure out what is the legal best practices for doing what I'm trying to do, and is it even possible for me to legally open an LLC in the U.S. and operate, an Amazon FBA account from here?
Certainly. I mean, it's definitely legal. It's what we do all day.
Mhm.
For you, do you have to? Where do you live now? In Morocco or Lebanon?
Morocco.
In Morocco. So you don't pay taxes, right?
No, I don't have income here yet.
So if you have an LLC and you make $1 million, you have to pay taxes in Morocco, or only what you send back to Morocco?
Well, I'm going to be talking to somebody about that as well. I would assume it's just what I sent back.
That's how it practically works. I mean, obviously
Mhm.
they wouldn't know,
Mhm.
otherwise. So it's hard for that to
Mhm.
be them to collect tax on it, right? So that's
Yeah.
the benefit and the beauty of having an LLC right now in many countries in the world, because they don't
Mhm.
make you pay tax on it. So it's a sweet deal. So your C corp, on the other hand, would pay tax. So
Mhm.
um, that's why I guess you need that second company, right? You might be able to talk to your banker and open an account without being there if you have a good relationship with them. You know.
Yeah, the thing is about the C Corp, that is, kind of a separate thing that I want to keep separate from this. So the idea is that I'm going to get a visa and come back to the US soon.
Okay.
And that's my main focus. That's my main company. This is just kind of a side thing that I want to create, a side company for, and keep it separate from
What are
all of
you
that.
doing with that one, if you don't mind me asking?
It's a startup in the pet industry. So
Oh,
we developed a dog product, and it was doing well. We launched the product, but with the coronavirus and everything, we didn't get that many orders, just a couple $1,000s worth of orders. And so I'm trying to do another launch for that. And
okay,
this
cool.
is just kind of something to fill my time and get some money on the side.
Sure, obviously it's good. You got some orders. I mean, some people get zero, but
Hmm.
um, great. So the LLC is definitely possible. It's
Hmm.
definitely something we can do and set up, and there's nothing wrong with it in the U.S. And from what I understand, you won't have anything in the U.S. It's all going to be online, digital, drop shipping kind of thing, right?
Yeah, exactly. And then in terms of the bank account, is that all the same as well?
We help our clients with digital bank accounts. I mean, that's the only the
Hmm.
option that's available if you're not here. What I said is you can maybe if you have a good relationship with your banker, whoever you're working with, they can open another account at the bank you're currently using without you going in, since you already have a business account and a personal account, probably like Bank of America or wherever you are.
Mm-hmm.
You can try. I
Sorry,
mean, that's.
the line cut off a little bit. I didn't
Oh,
hear
okay.
what you said. Sorry.
No, I was saying that you said you have a corporate bank account in the U.S. at probably like at like Bank of America, I'm guessing, or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So I'm saying what you can do is when you
Yeah,
have a new
I have
company,
a bank account with this.
yeah, when you have your LLC, you can call your bank and try and open another account without going there, since they already know you. You can try.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll try to do that. And alternatively, we would use a digital bank, right?
Alternatively, yes, you use a digital bank. The digital banks work great. Most of my clients use them and have no problems. They do everything that you would want a regular bank to do.
Okay, interesting. These type of banks, they don't have like branches or anything. They're completely digital.
Completely digital. I mean, what it is it's there's like a national bank, like an actual bank that's backing it,
Mm-hmm.
and I think they have real
Mm-hmm.
branches, but or like offices and things like that. But the entire operations of this like subsidiary, like swing off bank would be digital.
Okay, interesting.
So like
So,
the bank is real and the bank exists in real life, but this
yeah,
actual brand of their bank is all digital.
yeah, I see what you mean. So, in terms of my partners that I'm gonna have with me, um, that's fine to have in an LLC partners that are not U.S. citizens or based in the U.S. as well. I guess I'm
It's
gonna
better
be.
if they're not U.S. people. If they're based in the U.S., it makes it more complicated. But if they're not in the U.S., it's better. Yeah.
Okay. And then, so in terms of taxes, I'm going to be paying the taxes from the LLC and no personal income taxes since I'm not working there, right?
Yeah, the LLC wouldn't pay taxes either. The LLC has no tax to pay. It's all passed through. Even
Mm-hmm.
if it's a partnership, it's still going to pass through to you. And since you're
Oh,
doing nothing in the U.S., you don't have to pay any taxes there.
oh, okay. Interesting. Awesome. So, do you guys do any of these services, setting up these things?
Yeah, all of them.
And how does that work? You guys do a package or per hour?
Yeah, we have a package that we do. It's really like I become your tax advisor in the US for all questions
Mm-hmm.
and tax things, like pretty much going forward. We open the company, we get the EIN, the legal documents that you need. We can have a call together and open up the bank accounts, the PayPal and the Stripe together and go through it all, so it's opened up the right way without any problems. If you need
Mm-hmm.
W-9s, W-8s, whatever you need, we can help you fill those out. You need a resale certificate, we can get that for you too. It's all based on like whatever we can do to facilitate your business growing in the US.
Mm-hmm.
And it's fixed fee.
Awesome. Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. So what are these fixed fees?
So it's $2,500, and that's just like the fee
Mm-hmm.
to start through the whole year. And then every year
Mm-hmm.
when you want to renew the company, we do the tax forms and we pay for the renewal for you, and that's 1,500.
Okay. Awesome. Right. And then what documents would I need then to set up the LLC?
Just the names that you want to use, names that you want for your LLC, and a copy of your passport.
Okay.
And like obviously like a list of who's
And
going to be the
where
owner and what the percentage of ownership and
Mhm.
things like that.
And what state do people typically set these up in?
We use Delaware for most of our companies.
Mm-hmm. All right. Awesome. Okay. Thank you. Seems like it's easier than I expected, actually.
Yeah, we make it even easier than that. I mean, the concept
Yeah.
is simple, working with us, and the concept is simple in general.
Yeah.
And then we're here to even make it more simple and help you through it. So if you have any questions like that.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you so much, James.
To confirm, it's fine. I put this video on the channel, right? Did we talk about
Yeah,
that? Okay, cool.
that's fine. Yeah.
Thanks. Hope we can help someone else. Okay, I'll see
Yeah,
you. I'll see you around, and let me know if you want any more information from us.
sounds good. Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Okay, YouTube, I think that call went really well. If you have any questions about what we talked about, you can comment below. If you like the video, please like the video. Ravish that thumbs up button. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to have a call with me, you can do it in the link below. The next calls I'm taking are like in the end of August, but you can get on the calendar, I think, already.